forgiveness for his enemies, forgiveness for all the enemies of God. This was the first word of Jesus dying on the cross. Forgiveness. And it abrogated the old law of retaliation, the old law of revenge. It brought into the world the new law of Christ's love for us, and our love for our fellow men. Christ Jesus on Calvary's hill had not said, as Elias the great prophet had said on the top of the hill in Judea, "If I be a man of God, let fire come down from heaven and consume these my enemies." Jesus Christ had not inflicted on his executioners the dire punishment which followed so promptly on the thoughtless words of the children who insulted his servant Eliseus. No, over all Calvary spreads the white robe of forgiveness. He would, as it were, hide the sins of the world from the eyes of God the Father. He appealed to him not as Lord, God, Creator, or Prophet, but as Father, our Father in heaven, the merciful Father of the human race. Father, I have forgiven them all. Do thou also forgive them. In the blindness of their hearts, they know not what they do. If they knew thee as I know thee, knew thy majesty, thy justice, thy power, sin would never enter their hearts. Forgive them, all these thy children. Spare them from thy wrath, for a better day. Had our blessed Lord prayed for his mother Mary, for his apostles and disciples, or for the infant church, even this would have touched us, that in the midst of his passion, he could still think of them. But it was not for them, but for us sinners that he prayed not only for our forgiveness by God, but to teach us the hardest lesson this world contains, that we should forgive those who trespass against us, as freely as we have been forgiven by him.